In this video, we'll install Visual Studio Code and write our very first Java program together. Open your browser and go to the official Visual Studio Code website. Choose your operating system, download the installer, and save it to a convenient location. Wait until the download is complete. Now run the VS Code installer, accept the license agreement, and click Next to continue. Here you can see the installation path. We'll keep the default location and move on. On this screen, you can choose extra options. I'll create a desktop icon and enable useful context menu items like Open with Code, then click Next again. Click Install and let VS Code set itself up. When the installation finishes, press Finish to launch Visual Studio Code. Now let's use VS Code to write our very first Java program. This is the main VS Code interface. The File Explorer on the left, the editor in the center, and the status bar at the bottom. Create a new file on your computer. Save it in any folder that's convenient for you, and name it First.java. Java source files always have the .java extension, and each file usually contains one main class. To make Java coding easier, we'll install the Java extension path. Open the Extensions view and type Java into the search field. Find the extension pack for Java and click Install. This pack adds intelligent code completion, project support, debugging tools, and convenient commands for running Java programs. If you don't have a JDK yet, VS Code will suggest installing one. You can pause here and follow the link in the description to a separate video where we set up the JDK step by step. Now type a simple program that prints a message, a public class first, a main method, and inside it a line that outputs Hi Java to the screen. Use the terminal to run your Java file, and you should see Hi Java printed as the result. You can run this file by clicking the small triangle icon next to the file name and then pressing Run. You can also check your Java installation by typing Java version. If you see version information, everything is set up correctly. Remember, the terminal will be your main tool for running programs, viewing compiler messages, and understanding what went wrong when you get an error.